Tan Exfoliators. Unveiling the secret to smooth, radiant skin. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of tan exfoliators. Whether you're a skincare enthusiast or just curious about maintaining healthy skin, this video is for you. Let's dive into what tan exfoliators are and how they can transform your skincare routine. A tan exfoliator is a skincare product designed to remove dead skin cells and prepares the skin for tanning. Exfoliating before applying a tan helps in achieving an even and longer-lasting tan. It's a crucial step for those who use self-tanning products or want to maintain a natural tan. Tan exfoliators work by gently sloughing off the outermost layer of dead skin cells. This process reveals the fresher, smoother skin underneath. The exfoliation can be mechanical, using small particles or beads, or chemical, using ingredients like alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, or beta-hydroxy acids, BHAs. Using a tan exfoliator comes with multiple benefits. 1. Enhances the tanning process. It helps in achieving a more uniform and natural-looking tan. 2. Improves skin texture. Regular exfoliation leaves the skin feeling softer and smoother. 3. Prevents uneven fading. It helps in avoiding patchiness as the tan fades. 1. Choose the right exfoliator. Pick one that suits your skin type. 2. Apply on dry skin. Before bathing, apply the exfoliator on dry skin for more effective exfoliation. 3. Gentle circular motions. Rub in circular motions to lift away dead skin cells. 4. Rinse thoroughly. Make sure all exfoliator is washed off before applying any tan product. We hope this video helped you understand the importance of tan exfoliators in achieving that perfect, glowing tan. Remember, a good skincare routine is the foundation of healthy, beautiful skin. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.